Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to output your microphone to speakers on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to use. Once your PC is up and running, you'll want to access the control panel, which is where most of your audio settings live. To do this, click on the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. When the menu opens, type Control Panel into the search bar and hit Enter. This will launch the control panel window, giving you access to all your system settings. Now, once the control panel opens, look for the option labeled Hardware and Sound and click on it. This section contains all the settings related to your audio devices, printers, and other hardware connected to your PC. From here, you'll see several options, so go ahead and click on Sound to open the Sound Settings window. In the Sound window, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Navigate to the Recording tab by clicking on it. This tab displays all the microphones you've installed and added to your Windows 11 PC. Take a moment to look through the list of devices. You'll notice that one of the microphones has a green check mark next to it, which indicates that this is your currently active microphone. Click on this active microphone to select it, then click the Properties button at the bottom of the window. This opens up a new window with detailed settings for your selected microphone. Within the Microphone Properties window, click on the Listen tab. This is where the magic happens. In this tab, you'll see a checkbox next to an option that says Listen to this device. Go ahead and tick this checkbox to enable the feature. What this does is it allows your microphone audio to be routed directly to your speakers so you can hear yourself in real time through your output device. Once you've checked the box, click the Apply button at the bottom to save these changes. Your microphone will now output directly to your speakers. Finally, click OK to close all the settings tabs and exit the configuration windows. And that's it. You've successfully configured your microphone to output to your speakers on Windows 11, allowing you to hear your microphone input in real time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.